So 7C class, we were discussing the tables in HTML in the last lecture. Continuing with the same, I'll be typing the coding of table again, and parallel you type on your PC. Okay? But without making any noise in the lab, right? Our web page starts with the HTML tag. Very quietly type the coding and pay your full attention towards the lecture also. Our web page starts with the HTML tag, followed by the head tag. Don't speak, please. Inside the head tag, we have title tag. I am giving the title tables, and I close the title tag, and here I close the head tag. Please, no discussions. Inside the head tag, we take the title tag, and after closing the title tag, we close the head tag. After this, I am taking the body tag and the background color of my web page. I am taking pink. Pink is the background color of my web page. Focus there. Then I am taking the highest heading element H1, and the attribute of heading element is align. Whether you are taking H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6, the align attribute is common for all, and the heading element has only one attribute, that is align. I am giving the value center. Bete, align attribute can have 4 possible values: left, right, center, justify. I am giving the value center. What will happen now? The text which I will write will appear in the center of the web page. The text which I will write here will be in the H1 size and will appear in the center of the web page. I am writing here tables, table coding, and I close the H1. Okay. So I repeat my line again. H1 is the highest heading element, and the attribute of heading element is align. What are the 4 possible values of align? Left, right, center, justify. Now what value I have given? Now tell me what data will appear in the center? Table coding. Okay. Now I start with the table coding. Table tag. Table opening tag. The first attribute of table tag is border. I am giving the value of the border 4. You can give any value 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever. Okay. Then the next attribute is border color. Border color is one single word. It will give a color to the border. I am giving the color blue, sorry. I am giving blue color to the border. Then the next attribute of table tag I am taking is width. How much it is? Wide. I am giving the width as 200. Here I close the bracket of table tag, table opening tag. Now I come down, right? First of all, I will be creating the row. In order to create the row, I will be taking TR tag. TR stands for table row. Now inside the table row, you have to create the cells. In order, Arjun, be alert. In order to create the data cells, the tag is TD. TD stands for table data. Now, all of you for 1 minute, pay attention on the LCD only. Somebody is continuously talking at the back. Please wait. All eyes only on LCD. आपको एक रो में जितने सेल्स चाहिए उतनी बार TD टैग यूज करना है. Right? I am taking here TD. I am taking all the name of the months in short form. Jan, I close the TD. Then next month, Feb, I close the TD. Next month, March, I am closing the TD. I want 3 cells in the row. I want 3 cells in the row. So here I close the TR. Here I close the TR. After this, what you will do, you will copy paste it. This much portion you select and you copy it. And then paste it over here. And you can make changes. After March, we have April. Then we have May. Then we have June. Right? Then again you copy paste. After June, we have July. After July, we have August. And after August, we have September. Then after that, last time again we copy paste. I have here October. I have November. And last but not the least, I have December. Then this is my last row. After the last row, you close the table tag. Here I close the body tag. Here I close the HTML tag. So in this table, you have seen we have taken 4 rows, 3 columns. These 3 cells, they denote 3 columns. These 3 cells, they denote 3 columns. I just show you the browser view of it. 7C tables.html. Okay. I minimize it. Seven C. This is the web page. All of you, please see the browser view. Check the browser view, all of you. Now, pay attention on the LCD. See the browser view. 2 things I'll be explaining here. Pay attention to that. First of all, this heading is in H1. It is appearing in the center because I applied the align attribute inside the heading element. The table which you can see over here, the table is by default appearing on the left side. Now, 2 concepts are there. Pay attention. if I do alignment of the table, it will only bring the table in the center or in the right or in the left. It will not affect, it will have no change on the data of the table. This is the data which I have shaded. ये टेबल का डाटा अभी by default left align है. Now see the change I am going to make in the coding. In the table tag, please see the LCD, then you can do on your PC. In this table tag, I press the space bar. I write align equal to center. Align equal to center. अब align equal to center देने से जो टेबल है वो वेब पेज के सेंटर में आ जाएगा, लेकिन टेबल जो सेंटर में आया है उसके कारण टेबल का डाटा इफेक्ट नहीं हुआ. द डाटा ऑफ द टेबल इज स्टिल इन द लेफ्ट. Backbenchers, you are not focusing on the LCD. The data of the table is still on the left side. Now, what to do? 7C, focus on LCD better. Later on, I will ask questions from you people. अब आप ये चाहते हो कि डाटा सेंटर में कैसे आए. ये देखो बेटा, मैंने क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं, बी अलर्ट. टीआर में जाइए, जिस रो को सेंटर में करना है उस रो के टीआर में जाओ, स्पेस अलाइन इक्वल टू सेंटर. व्हेन वी अप्लाई अलाइन एट्रीब्यूट inside the tr tag, 7C, listen carefully. When we apply align attribute inside the tr tag, all the cells of that row come in the center of that particular cell. The data comes in the center of the cell. अब ये देखना क्या होता है. मैं सेव कर रहा हूं, मैंने रिफ्रेश किया, जनवरी फरवरी मार्च देखो सेंटर में आ गए. यहां पे मैंने जो चीज बतानी है ना, वो चीज ये है 7C, दैट अलाइन एट्रीब्यूट is in table tag also, it is in tr tag also. When we use align in table, it only bring the table in the left or center or right. वो टेबल के डाटा को इफेक्ट नहीं करना. पर अगर आप अलाइन एट्रीब्यूट टीआर में लोगे, वो पूरी रो को इफेक्ट करेगा. जितने भी सेल उस रो में होंगे वो सारे सेल्स को इफेक्ट करेगा. लास्ट कॉन्सेप्ट, सी केयरफुली, देन आई विल चेक द वर्क यू हैव डन ऑन द पीसी. सी हियर, ये तो मैंने अलाइन एट्रीब्यूट टीआर में लगा दिया ना. आई अप्लाइड अलाइन इन द टीआर. 7C, where you are looking at, LCD is here. Now see what I'm going to do. April cell का जो TD है, TD, I am putting align attribute inside the TD. I am giving the value right. April content जहां पे है उस सेल में I put the align attribute with the value right. Now see the browser view. See what will happen. See where April is going. To the right side of the cell. Right side of the cell. Now the next concept. This is one cell. This is second cell. This is one cell. This is second cell. Okay. This gap, the gap between two cells. मैं आपको ये एग्जांपल देता हूं बना के. एक ये सेल है, एक ये सेल। स्टैंड अप, स्टैंड अप, स्टैंड अप ऐसे। This is one cell, this is second cell. This gap between, I am increasing the gap. You can see my face clearly now. This gap is called cell spacing. The space between two cells. Okay? ये एक कॉन्सेप्ट हो गया। अब ये देखो, ये एक सेल है, मैंने यहां पे ए लिखा, ये सेल का कंटेंट है। दिस इज द कंटेंट ऑफ द सेल, द डाटा ऑफ द सेल। दिस गैप between the content and the border of the cell, this gap, it is called cell padding. The amount of space between two cells is called cell spacing. The amount of space between the content of the cell and the border of the cell is called cell padding. Both cell spacing and cell padding are attributes of table tag. See the coding here. Next, you be ready. I'm going to ask questions from you. In the table tag, cell spacing is one word without space. I am giving 20. First of all, check cell spacing. Check it. Check the cell spacing. This gap where the pointer is moving. Now check cell padding. See, January content और सेल के बीच में गैप देखो। सेल के अंदर चेक करो that the gap between the data and the border of the cell, ये वाला गैप जहां मेरी फिंगर मूव कर रही है, this is cell padding, right? You can give two together. And cell spacing and cell padding are only and only in the table tag. They are not attribute of TR and TD. ये देखो, check it. Both cell spacing as well as cell padding I have given. You are not serious in the lecture. Continuously you are looking here and there only. Am I clear to all? See the coding and type parallel on your PC, and I'll just see what you have typed. Hurry up. Try to behave in the class. Without creating any disturbance, recording is going on. Suhana and Bhavya, is the logic clear to both of you? Wait. Okay, one more concept you can study today. See here. I want to give yellow color as a background to my table. Okay, I have a question here. What is the background color of the body? Pink. And which attribute of body tag specifies the color in the background? BG color. Very right, BG color. Which attribute will specify the background color of the table? वो border का color है. मैं टेबल का बैकग्राउंड पूछ रहा हूं। यस, बीजी कलर ओनली। बीजी कलर इक्वल टू येलो। अब देखना क्या होता है। Check it. Background color of the body is pink and the background color of table is yellow. So BG color is attribute of table tag also and body tag also. Am I clear? Am I clear? I am showing the entire coding. Check it carefully.